Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the vlog. There has been a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes that I haven't been able to film because it's just been a crunch time trying to get all the cars ready for the track. But there's a lot that has been done. If you guys remember, I used to have green Aerowolf end plates on here that used to come down to about here. But the green that was on here, it was made out of acrylic, and over time they just started to fade and they started to look yellow. So I put the Battle Aero end plates back on, which as you can hear they are aluminum. But I just hate the shape of them. I don't like the way they look. They're called the Time Attack end plates, which they look okay. They're not horrible. They're just not the style I like. So I went ahead and I ordered another set of Aerowolf plates. This time, instead of doing the acrylic green, we went with the ABS plastic. So they are the same shape, but they're just black. So it's gonna look a lot better, and they are a lot bigger than the ones we have on. I think they're bigger than the green ones as well. It's much different. It's gonna look awesome. Totally missed these. They look so good. I love them. We went ahead and we mounted the oil cooler and power steering cooler on the front of the Z. So this one here is the power steering cooler. That one's the oil cooler. We went with a 13 row. That way when we do get our bash bar, we have clearance for it. I do have to find a smaller stainless steel line though. This one is just too long because it's going from the old factory hard lines to the mounts, which is right here. It's only like a 1 foot space and the cable's a 4 foot cable, so it's gonna work for tomorrow at the event, but eventually I am gonna buy a smaller cable just so we can clean some of this up here. The oil one though looks really good. We routed it underneath to the oil filter, so that looks pretty good. Everything's been adjusted, got an alignment on it, and we also did a plenum. We've been talking about doing one for a while, but finally got it on there. It is a pain to go on. You gotta make sure you use enough of gasket maker so that way it doesn't leak. But you definitely feel more response right around about the 4,500 to 5,000 RPM range. So if you're thinking about getting one, go ahead and get it. It is absolutely amazing. And not just that, my dad finally got his wheels. So not only am I running my new wheels and tire setup, he also has wheels. So I gotta totally show you them. They look amazing. And he has an exhaust system on his car as well, so I'm gonna show you everything we've done with his car. Okay, so I got wheels, and that means you gotta get wheels. So what'd you do? You went out and you bought wheels?
Of course.
Of course you bought wheels. And you went with my Acceleras too, which are awesome. There she is, looking brand new. Absolutely amazing. So he's not doing the 265s in the back because my car is going to be a Pro-Am competition car, so I do need a little bit more meat in the back. We went with a 18x9 plus 15 offset squared, so we're running a 235, 40, 18 squared all the way around, which is going to be just plenty of enough grip, and those Acceleras are just awesome. It looks so much better. It totally went for the murdered look. Everything's all blacked out. It's so simple, so clean. And we switched over because on my car we had the Eibach Proline Sport RZs on there, and I put the BCs, so we had the Eibachs just laying around. So guess what we did? We put the Eibachs on here. So my dad's basically running all of my old suspension setup, from the P2M tie rod spacers and offset rack spacer to the Eibach Prolines, and basically we're kind of like imitating my setup, my old setup, onto this car. But again, we're not going with the wider wheels in the back because he isn't going to be competing. It's just more of a fun drift build, but it is looking so good. And in the back, he got a Supra type styled straight pipe exhaust. So as you can see, that puppy is huge. That is the definition of a straight pipe. It is beautiful, and it sounds even better. I'll let you guys hear it. Sounds so good. Got his fire extinguisher mounted as well. Sounds so good. It's a lot smoother than mine sounds. We moved spots to our favorite spot out here in Mexico, and we're gonna get some clips of the exhaust out here. Yeah, it's a lot louder than mine, that's for sure. It's only because I think my exhaust, because it stops at the diff, it doesn't come all the way out to the bumper like his. His is just crazy loud. It sounds so good. I don't think I can hear in my right ear. That is way too loud. I mean, it sounds good. It sounds very smooth, but as you can tell, that sounds so good. Woo, that is crazy. It kind of has that same effect that mine has, so it almost sounds like an F1 car when it's coming at you. That sounds so good, but wow, it's loud. That is so loud. How's your hearing? Can you hear?
Well, it's fine inside the car because I put it all the way out to the back now, so.
Yeah, there's no drone. See, that's the problem with mine, is there's so much drone. So when I'm inside, it's hard to have a conversation, but his, you can have like, you can whisper inside. It's not bad at all. But outside, it is so much worse. It's horrible.
Well,
I like it.
there's supposed to be behind me.
Yeah, it's gonna sound so good at the track tomorrow. It's gonna be a beast.
I hope so.
Let's see what you got for tomorrow. Go ahead and try some. Woo! Perfect figure eight, first take too. You've gotten so much better. That is awesome.
My tires for tomorrow.
Yeah, true. You do have to save them, but I mean, with those accelerators, they're gonna last you all day. You were saying though, you might just save these for driving, and you're probably gonna just use the other ones.
Well, I have 4 sets of used. I'm gonna try to make tomorrow with all the 4 sets of used. If I can't, then I'm gonna use those.
True. He does use this car still as a daily driver, which I've been trying to convince him not to, but he loves driving it. So we might just use the old socked rims that was on the car with those used tires and see if we can preserve these for maybe another event. If not, we'll be running these too, but he is going to be running these front ones because they're a lot grippier up front than what he used to have on it. So just wow, it's come such a long way.
The only thing I'm worried about for tomorrow is that I got such tight fitting right here that I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to drift. I rub a little bit, but I think I'll be fine.
Yeah, I mean, I had a little bit of an issue. You know, if you guys have an issue with like fitment, you can always buy a fender roller and you can pull this out. I didn't really care about it because I did, you know I was going wide body, so I just got a baseball bat and pulled this out. But we'll see. I mean, we can adjust it at the track, bring something with us, and that's a simple fix. So it looks good at that height though. So low in the front, you have just enough room in the back, so that way when you squat down, you won't have any issues.
Yeah.
So
I'm super excited for tomorrow.
you're gonna kill it. Don't be nervous. Just stay calm and collected. You got this. Alright guys, I think that is gonna do it. I hope you guys enjoyed the exhaust and the wheels, and hopefully you do good tomorrow. Are you nervous about it?
Honestly, I am a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. The only thing I'm nervous about is tapping a wall right now. I don't have the bash bars and I don't have the back bumper right now, so I'm just kind of worried about that. But I'll go do the best I can to make you guys proud.
Yep, he's gonna do really good. So be on the lookout for the next video. It's gonna be all of us at OSW killing it. And yeah, we'll see where it goes from there, and hopefully no one wrecks, so we'll see. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.